Phone eats first at DOXI Chicken Tenders. It's by El Trapiche, one of the most famous Panamanian restaurants. We got regular tenders here with fries, and then we got Nashville spicy hot chicken in this one with different sauces and little like corn balls and yuca bites. So let's try it out. Here we are, the 20 Nashville hot tenders. We have a regular tenders with fries and honey mustard, a strawberry apple pie, different sauces. So this is like their house sauce, barbecue, ahi chombo marmalade, a honey mustard. These are the corn fritters, the yuca bites, pickles. Honey mustard on the tender. It's pretty good. Let's get your reaction. It's good? Wifey approves. And we are watching the new Mary adaptation of Jesus. And yeah, so date night.